One day, I brought my drone to one of the nearby countries to fly on a beautiful beach. It was a perfect day. No rain, no cloud. A couple of minutes of flight time out into the sea, I got a beeping sound and a warning message asking me to immediately return to home. There was not enough battery charge to sustain my flight, but I was overconfident. I deliberately ignored the warning message. I believed I could push for a few more minutes of flight time. When I finally decided to return home, unfortunately, the battery had been depleted. About 150 meters from where I was standing, I could see my drone automatically lower itself and bury into the deep waters. That's the price I had to pay for my disobedience. In Jeremiah 17 verse 23, God says to His people, "Yet they did not listen or incline their ears but stiffened their necks in order not to listen or take correction." If God is giving a warning message today, you better be obedient to it, as the consequence may be far more than just a loss of a drone.